For today, you're going to use what we learned yesterday about the rock cycle to figure out what type of rocks you can find in your national park. So you will probably need to Google this. If you can only find specific types of rocks like granite, you can look at this list I put here, and you can look to see if granite is considered igneous, metamorphic, or sedimentary. You only need to figure out igneous, metamorphic, or sedimentary. You do not need to figure out anything more specific. So, more than likely, your national park is only really going to have one of these types of rocks. So, if I look up my national park, which is Volcano National Park, I'm just going to Google rocks in Volcano National Park. Now, I already know that my park has a lot of volcanoes, which means that it's going to have a lot of igneous rock, but it tells me right here, which I was lucky enough, but it's also found on the National Parks Web Service site. So I am going to make a new slide on my slide, and I'm going to put types of rocks, and I'm just going to write all the rocks in the park are igneous rocks. It's really important. Right now we should have 22, I'm sorry, you aren't going to have as many as I do in here. You are going to have you should have 17 slides. So you have your title slide, and then you have 5 landforms, and each landform should have the type of weathering you think is taking place. Then you have 3 water sources that you found on your own. You also then should have included, made sure you had at least one type of precipitation, which I already had here, plants, and then groundwater. Right? And then your 17th slide is going to be this one, the types of rocks. You're going to be starting to use all of these on Monday to start your final project. If you have any questions, make sure you email me or hop on my Google Hangout. My office hours from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Have a good day.